Hi guys, wanted to help out here. I'm taking apart a Respironics Dream. Sorry, here I'll try my. Oh shoot, sorry. It's the Respironics DreamStation Auto CPAP, and I am stuck here, and there's nothing out there on anywhere that I can find that shows how to take this thing apart. So I figured I'd try to make a video. Apologize, this is just my cell phone here. So at least if you guys are looking for stuff, you can at least find something on how to get started. And maybe if you are taking one apart, add in the comments or make a video how to take this thing apart. I plan on making another video once I figure out how to take this thing apart. Basically what happened is this thing, the screen started just blanking out on me, and it's really frustrating because I can't breathe very good without the CPAP. I can't sleep very good without a CPAP. I'm like desperately need one because I have really bad apnea. But oh well, that's life. And so now I'm trying to figure this out. I'm gonna have a bad sleep tonight. I'm just kind of laying out here on my little makeshift bed here, taking this apart. So it's not very uber professional video. I'm using an iFixit kit here. But what I did is I popped these things off. I pinched this, and these things popped off, which were these little flaps here. Okay, so they're on each side. So I can get you started. You pinch this, and then there was a screw right there. And you need a T9. Oh, that's my flathead. Where's my? It's this guy right here. This is a T9. If I remember right, it was a T9. Let's take a look here. Where'd it go? Where'd my? I think it's right here. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So I pulled out. Oh, it's my T10. I pulled out a T10 to get it going, and that was, I pulled out these two screws here. You see those two right there? That's a T10 and a T10. One was right there, and one was right here. That gets the front loose, but I can't seem to figure out how to get the back loose. I wonder, maybe this thing pops out because there's definitely screws in there and there. But I can't find the screws because this popped off. And then I was using this flathead to pry along the side of it, and it kind of pops open, but right here it won't go anywhere. Also with this, I just loosen this up slightly. I want to break it here. Okay, let me flip this thing around. If you look here, so this came loose from there, and yeah, I can't seem to figure out. I've been playing this thing for about 30 minutes now, and I just can't seem to figure out. I thought there might be screws underneath these little pads here. There's no screws, unless it's maybe it's here on this paper somewhere. But anyways, I will keep working on it, and I will let you guys know how things go. But yeah, please leave some comments. Yeah, let me know if you have one you're taking apart. If you figure out how to do it, let me know. And I will definitely, if I get this figured out, I will make a video and show you guys how to do it. So good luck, guys.